You have to draw a straight line like this.
Okay.
A straight line. We are going to make some like a square. Awesome. And another one like this. I have to make it equal length. Continue a bit. Okay, stop. Alright, so bring it down.
Bring it all down.
Bring it down to come down here. It's okay. Alright. And make a straight line up from here like this.
It looks like a housetop.
Straight line, then bend it. It's okay. And another straight line like this.
This guy is not a house.
Awesome.
Oh, it looks like a dice already.
No, you have to take this one up a little bit more.
So?
Join this one to there and then you draw this down and stop somewhere here. Yeah.
Still down.
It's okay.
Up.
Then join this to this.
Okay.
And join this one also
Oh, wait.
to this one.
We made a dice.
Yeah, awesome.
Done already. But
Alright,
we
so
still
let's
have
draw.
to put the circles.
Yes, let's make
That is the only thing
circle
left.
here. Make 3 at the top here.
We're making 6.
And another one here.
I know what making 8.
And the 3 there. Awesome.
1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
5, 6.
Alright. So here let's make
I like counting.
yeah, good. Let's make one here and one at this end.
1,
At this another one at this end. Come to this end.
1
And make another one at this end.
is
And this end.
4.
And then one at the middle. We're making 5.
5. I thought we're making
Good.
4.
So let's make one here, one at the middle, and one at this end.
3.
It's 3.
I know it's
Awesome.
3. It's lucky. We're
I
done.
like the
We're
dice.
done. I like playing dice. It was easy.
It was easy peasy.
Yeah, yours is tiny, mine's big.
Yeah, yours is big. So let's color it.
Yellow.
Okay, let's color the inside first. These circles. Which color are we using for the circle?
Yellow.
Want us to use yellow for the circle?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can use different colors. One done.
Color different ones.
Okay, I'll color one by one.
Yes, color different ones. Then you can change the color and then use another
I'm
one.
gonna color one of the big ones.
Okay.
Now.
Then which other color now? Green?
Yeah, you use the right green, but my green is yucky.
No, it's the same green.
But it has skill on it.
You can color one here as well if you want.
But only 3 you can color. Only 3.
Okay, so what's next? Which color is next?
Pink.
Well, that is pink.
Pinky with us. Pinky with us.
Pinkalicious. Summer is pinkalicious.
I'm gonna, anytime you sleep and I'm gonna,
And Mama's done.
anytime you sleep and I'm gonna color the whole place pinky with us.
Oh, that's sneaky. Yes, Papa?
Yes, sticky sneaky me. I like doing this.
Okay.
One day when you sleep and I'm gonna do it.
Alright. You've not colored any of this one. Give one purple color.
I wanted to color it gray.
Gray?
No gray. Tiki. And then next. Tangy.
What's that? Orange? We've used that before, haven't we?
And we have to use it for
Okay.
everything.
So that's my last one.
But
I'm done.
I have 3 left.
Then go ahead and finish it up.
Blue panda.
So you're able to draw the dice. I didn't know you can draw it, but you're able to do it. It's so nice.
Yeah, because I know how to draw dice.
You know how to draw dice. Awesome. It's so fine. You're able to draw the square because that's where it's most challenging.
Yes, I know how to do it.
Well, you're able to do it. Awesome. Summer is learning fast.
Yeah, but sometimes I don't know how to draw a dinosaur.
Dinosaur, don't worry. The day we'll draw dinosaur, that will make it so easy. Easy peasy.
But we never draw a pterodactyl before.
Don't worry. The day we'll draw it. I hope you're moving fast because that will soon finish.
I'm just doing like this.
You have to go first.
If you win, you get the trophy. If I win, I get the trophy.
Trophy?
Yeah.
Is there a trophy? Okay.
Yeah, I wonder if we can draw a trophy.
If I win, I get a trophy. If you finish first before me, you get a trophy.
Yeah.
So whoever that finishes first gets a trophy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoever finishes gets a trophy. Whoever finishes gets a trophy, not cheating.
No, not cheating.
Yeah, whoever cheats, no trophy for them.
If you cheat, no trophy.
Yeah?
If you have lots of white spaces, no trophy.
No.
So you have to color first.
Yeah, that's why. If you don't, no trophy today.
Okay.
Nobody gets a trophy if they cheat.
Someone is going to give trophy if you win.
Yeah, whoever wins gets a trophy.
Okay. Let me see. I'm almost winning.
You'll never win.
Oh.
If you win, I win. Ha ha ha.
I'm almost winning.
But Daddy is just playing no wins.
Almost winning.
But Daddy, you just play game. You just play who wins together wins. Both of them wins together.
Oh, because I'm winning now, you are changing the rules?
Yes.
Someone is changing the rules. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Someone says that I'm winning and she's changing the rules.
Yeah.
She wants us to have the trophy together.
Yes.
Oh, Someone. You're so cheeky.
Yes, because I like changing the rules. Anytime you go to the beach, wear some hat. Next time when you go to the beach, put pink on your head.
Wear some hats and put sunscreen.
And pink.
No, you don't put poop. You put cream, sun cream, so that you don't get sunburns.
But you put water.
Yeah, the water will come from the beach.
You get water from the house and pour it on you.
From the house?
Yeah.
You're already in the beach.
But you
So
pour.
you go into the water and you have lots of water to pour on your body.
But you drink it from
No,
the beach.
you don't drink that one.
Yes, you drink
I'm done. Are you done?
You drink the dirty water. Both of us win now.
Both of us, some have changed the rules. Someone said both of us has won. Not just daddy, not just me, but both of us.
Yeah, because I changed the rules.
That's so funny. I would have taken my trophy. Someone has changed the rules.
I took the trophy.
Alright, so go ahead. Who win? Two of us win.
Both of us win.
Yeah, so two of us have the trophy.
Yeah.
And our friends also
Yeah, because
in the house were also drawing along with us and painting with
because
us.
I changed the rules.
Someone changed the rules. So funny. Alright, these dice. The dice has 6 spots on the side, 5 on the side, and 3 on the side.
No,
Just keep coloring.
No,
Keep
10
going.
here, 10 here, 8 here, 9 here.
How do you come about that? Do you count it to come about that figures you are mentioning?
No, I just wanted that to
You're
be
just
numbered.
making up figures. That's funny.
No, I'm not.
Be careful so that I don't color inside the spots.
Red makes brown.
Yeah, red and blue makes brown, right?
And red and green makes what? Brown?
Red and green
Yeah,
is
but
going to give you yellow.
if you make blue and purple?
Blue and purple. I'm not sure, unless if we experiment. Are you done? Wow, this is so awesome. Friends, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you're able to draw along with us. Summer, do you like your drawing and your painting?
Yeah.
And the colors you gave it?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so lovely, so fine. Wow. So what do you say to your friends at home?
Subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.
Alright, friends at home, we love you. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. And let's see you in our next video. Bye.